Understanding passing fancy, a common English idiom. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, passing fancy. This is an idiom that pops up in English conversations, and understanding it can help you grasp the nuances of the language. So, let's dive in and decode its meaning together. Passing fancy refers to a brief and not deeply felt interest in something or someone. It's like a momentary whim that doesn't last long. When someone says they have a passing fancy for something, they mean that their interest might be intense but very temporary. The idiom, passing fancy, dates back to when the term, fancy, was used to describe someone's liking or affection for something. By adding passing before fancy, it emphasizes the short-lived nature of this interest. Using passing fancy correctly can add flair to your English. Here are some examples. I thought I wanted to learn the guitar, but it was just a passing fancy. His interest in painting was a passing fancy. He's onto photography now. It's important to differentiate between a passing fancy and a sustained interest. A passing fancy doesn't usually lead to a serious pursuit, while a long-term interest might become a hobby or even a passion. And that's a wrap on passing fancy. Hopefully, you now have a clear understanding of this charming English idiom and can use it in your daily conversations. Remember, not every new interest is a life-changing passion. Sometimes, it's just a passing fancy. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.